plane. It's Super Baby. Yay, it's Super Baby.
Here he comes. Aaron, it's a plane. No, it's Super Baby.
I like how he's just keeping his legs out like
Super Baby.
He needs a cape.
There's Mama.
We need to get him a cape.
I'll just put a bib on backwards.
Like that one bib that
This
one
is
of these people with my cape on backwards. You like to fly?
Hi, Aaron.
I always wanted to fly.
Oh,
Hi,
I got
Aaron.
poop out of him.
Oh.
Hi, Gooby. Hi.
Yoo-hoo. Tell her yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. Tell her. Tell her. Tell her all about it. Tell her all about it. Super Baby, to the rescue.
Look, it's Super Baby.
You can leap buildings in a single bound. Taller than a
Look at
skyscraper.
him hold his head up.
Yeah.
That's pretty good, huh? For as low as he is.
And he's got, we could call him Super Ernie.
Super Ernie.
You're so cute.
What poop I do with you, huh?
I love you. How come you don't smile when the camera's on? Well, that was an awful face.
Bubbles, bubbles.
Smile.
Bubbles, bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. What are you doing, huh?
Okay, Mini Trev. Mini Trev. Bye-bye.